We're bloody amazing. I'm pretty G'd up. Hey guys, Jase here, aka Gerkins, down at Road Runner Offroad in Pakenham. Just bringing you an update on what's happening for Cliffhanger 2025 for the live stream that Road Runner's absolutely pumping me from behind to get done. Cam's pushing as hard as he can, which I love, but we've got cameras, we've got drones, we've got absolutely everything. They're going to be able to live track the cars through Rally Safe and put that next to my beautiful smile. Everything is going to be through Road Runner Offroad's YouTube. So like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. All the links will be there. If you're not there, you're missing out, and you're not going to miss out because we're going to make sure that you're going to see the best content in Windstruck racing. Road Runner Offroad, it'll all be there. I can't wait. I'm G'd up as. I better get me thongs because I can't wait. See you guys. What did I say? If anyone playing at home wants to fit a clutch to a 48, somewhere between Wednesday and Friday next week, hit me up. Phone a friend. I'm your guy.